Happy holidays and Merry Christmas from me, Zach, and the rest of the team here at Yas. This one's going to be short, mostly because I am recording it about halfway through the month because I'm going on vacation and we need to get this done before I go. So, December, to wrap up, the sites we launched were CIWB Awards, Prairie Dent Repair, CB Agriculture, and for our friends at Crossmount Cider, we helped them build their Insider Club and e-commerce pages. So that was a really fun time. As I mentioned, it's only about halfway through the month, which means we've probably got some more cool stuff coming even before the end of December. As for blogs, I finally got around to recording that video explaining why we rebuilt our site so soon after we did it the last time. So definitely you will want to check that out. And that's really all I've got today, so I hope you all enjoy your festivities, holidays, get away from work, at least take your mind off it for just a couple of minutes, have a hot chocolate for me, some eggnog maybe, I don't know. We will talk to you fine folks in the new year. Take care.